What's up, guys? Today is day 11 of my dividend investing portfolio update. Today the S&P 500 finished at 5308, up about 0.1%. My portfolio is at 987.29. I'm up 11 cents on the day, so I pretty much just broke even. If you didn't see my last video, I did earn a couple more dividends, well, just one. I earned $1.07 from realty income, so that puts my total dividends received at $7.29. And then last but not least, for the individual stocks, VOO, I'm up 37 cents, VT, I'm up 4 cents, VTI, I'm up 32 cents, and then realty income, I'm down 62. So not a good day for realty income, but the market was up just a little bit today. So that is going to be the end of this video. I will leave a link to the spreadsheet in the description if you guys want to go check it out. If you did enjoy, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.